Alright, so now it's time for my last flourish in this bundle. It's called Vesper, and it is quite new actually. It features a really cool V sort of display, and because of its simplicity, it's pretty easy to come up with variations, and I'm gonna teach you guys one of mine. It's an alternate ending. And yeah, it's just a very satisfying move. The clapping of the two packets feels really good. So let's dive into Vesper. Okay, so to do Vesper, you want to start off by performing this move of mine. And the way you do that is by removing your middle finger. So you extend that, it's out of the way, and you press down with the index finger and remove your pinky, and you're gonna hold the long edge, the bottom here, with this part of your ring finger. So the deck is being held like so, and then the thumb can reach all the way over here and contact the ring finger, like so, and you can then move the deck itself down towards the crotch here, and now you're in this position, and then the middle finger goes up here and takes over the grip on the short edge, and then the index finger can split the deck in two, and you should do that on the corner. That'll make it easier later on. So now you're here, you've split it in two, and then the top packet here should just fall onto the pinky, and now you start to push down with the thumb, and you also move your index finger up a little bit, just like so, and it goes all the way down here until it fully contacts the middle, like so, and then you can let go of your index finger or just push down a little bit. And when you're here, by moving the thumb out, you're actually gonna get into the V display automatically, like so. And from here, you can either just close it, clap it together like that, or you can do an alternate ending. And the way you do that is by, instead of just clapping them together and aligning them, you're gonna move your thumb further down towards the palm of your hand so that they don't square up, they land like so. And this allows you to curl in your index finger and move your middle finger out of the way, and then get into sort of a straddle position where all of these four fingers are contacting the face-up packet, like so. Now from here, you're gonna move up with the thumb so that this packet, the base packet here, is resting on the thumb, and then you're gonna push in with the middle finger, just like so, and that'll result in this packet being clipped between the pinky and the middle finger, and the ring finger is actually helping as well. So you're in this position, and then you can just move your middle finger out of the way and let this packet fall on bottom and close everything together. Okay, so a couple of important things to keep in mind when you're performing Vesper is, one of them is to let the top packet here, after you've split the deck in two, you should let it fall down on the pinky immediately. And then when you begin to push down with the thumb, instead of maintaining the grip with the index finger, because if you do that, then it's going to get stuck in between the two packets. So instead of doing that, you're going to remove the index finger really fast. So you can maybe guide it a little bit, and then just by relaxing your thumb, this packet will slide along the other packet and land in the V formation. Now for the alternate ending, it's very important to be aware of the clipping. So you can actually just practice this ending by getting into this position, and you can get into that from a lot of one-handed cuts. So when you're here, like I said before, move your index finger up, and then it sort of happens automatically by just curling in your middle finger like so. Then the paddle will be clipped between the pinky and the ring finger, and the middle finger will be there to keep everything aligned. And then you can just place that on bottom. And those are some tips on Vesper and its alternate ending.